The Pet Minder feature can be enabled by navigating to the Features tab on both the touchscreen and the Winnebago mobile app and clicking on Pet Minder. You can then turn the feature on and off via the toggle at the top of the screen. Note that when you turn the feature on, a control toggle appears on the home screen for the convenience of turning notifications on or off from there. On the Pet Minder screen, simply adjust the temperature range that is comfortable for your pet. When you are away from your coach, you will receive a notification on your paired mobile app if the temperature in the coach approaches either the top or bottom of that range. To turn off this feature, you can do so either from the home screen or the Pet Minder feature on the Feature tab. Note that if you turn this off on the Feature tab, the toggle on the home screen will go away.